Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your experience with international student insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by researching various insurance providers that cater specifically to international students. Compare their coverage options, benefits, and pricing to find the one that suits your needs. Next, read reviews from other international students to gain insights into their experiences. Once you've narrowed down your options, visit the chosen insurance provider's website for detailed information. Look for a dedicated section on international student plans to understand the coverage specifics. Take note of pre-existing condition clauses, as they may affect your eligibility for coverage. Evaluate the claim process outlined by the provider to ensure it is straightforward and user-friendly. If available, use online tools or calculators to assess the cost based on your specific situation. After selecting a plan, gather necessary documents, such as your student ID and visa information. Fill out the application form accurately and completely to avoid potential issues later. Review the policy terms and conditions thoroughly before finalizing your purchase. Once purchased, save a digital and physical copy of your policy documents for easy access. Familiarize yourself with the emergency contact information provided by the insurance company. Keep track of important deadlines related to your policy, including renewal dates. Finally, do not hesitate to reach out to customer service if you have any questions or require assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your experience with international student insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.